Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. It's Britonny. So today we're headed to Courts. We're just gonna check out the new arrivals at Courts. I did a full Courts tour a few months ago, but now they have some new arrivals, so I'm going to be showing you guys that today. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more. Alright guys, so let's go. Alright, so as you guys know, I'm gonna have the prices converted to USD, and you will also see the prices in JMT. So let's get into it. So the first item that I wanted to show you was this couch, and if you remember from my top trends video for this year, you're gonna see a lot of curved furniture, and here you go. So this couch does have like a port, like a plug, so you can like charge devices. It has a cup holder, and it's like a leather sofa, right? And the curve feature of course is there. This one was actually on clearance, so yes, clearance. So they also had this in black. You will see that too as we go out through the video. And guys, I'll have this video in sections, so you could see like dining room, bedroom, and like dining, living, right? So you can just check the sections, the chapters on YouTube. So here you also have this set, which is, I think, is kind of different for Courts. It has this Aztec print, and here's the black version of that white sofa. So this set was kind of different, you know. It has this Aztec print, something different. Here you also have the matching bookshelf. All right, so you would have like the bookshelf, the TV unit, the coffee table, also in this set. This is a TV unit here, you know, nice simple type of look. All right, and they were affordable as well, which is good. This was an affordable set. But here you have this show-stopping piece. Like, this was one of the great finds today at Courts. This red couch is sectional, so nice. And I usually don't like upholstered items, but I think this was modestly done, with it only being like at the top part of the sofa and not carried right throughout the sofa. So this was a good one. This is a great piece, and the sofa really is a statement. So here you have a little living room setup that would be good for persons who have like a small apartment. So a nice leather sectional black, especially for a guy, or probably if you have a man cave, you know, in your home, this would be a nice little setup. All right. And it also has a really small like coffee table to, you know, fit the smaller sectional here. So yeah, this is a small vibe, probably for persons who are just like, you know, starting out. You're buying your first pieces of furniture, you know, you're a little young professional, you don't really have a lot of money, you can look into this as an option. And you're gonna see more pieces like this it come throughout the video. But here I also liked this couch, this chair. This chair is right on trend again, a nice like round circular chair. All right, so yeah, these chairs are on trend with this shape, so good going quartz. Alright, this is another living room set. Kind of looks like a contemporary, like mid-century modern type of vibe. Again, you know, affordable coffee table. Yeah, there's a little storage area. It's just basic to me, but still a nice basic with neutral tones. Alright, so this is the matching TV unit that goes along with it. Alright, so let's head upstairs now and look into some bedroom pieces as well as dining room pieces. Oh, we also have a couch. So here you have a couch with a matching ottoman. Again, good for really small apartments and places, you know. So this one was really nice, and to me it came off as really well made. So this is also upholstered, right? I think that's a fair price to pay for the ottoman and this like couch. Alright, now this dresser was very different. Don't really see something like this. I didn't really like that drawer that opened up like a cabinet. To me, it just gave like a cabinet type of feeling, but it's like a vintage type of set. I'm gonna zoom in on the details with this bedroom set. You're gonna see that it kind of has this aged vintage look to it. It was a bit too much for me, but I know there are persons out there who are going to love it, who really actually like this. But I didn't really care for the dresser. The dresser drawer is not bad, the bed's not bad, and here's that, you know, aged look that I'm trying to show you with the features, as you can see in the wood. Not right really my style, but it's for someone out there. This lamp wasn't bad either for the persons who like glam. This is a nice lamp. All right, so here we also have this unique chest. I like the handles on this one. It's kind of like you lift it and you pull it out, almost like, I think, like a file cabinet. I mean, it's different, and I think the color, the gold color, goes well with the wood that's used here. And this also comes in a complete set, so you're gonna have the matching bed that I'm gonna show you to this piece, and also the nightstand. So yeah, it was different. It was really different. Here's the matching nightstand. And guys, this nightstand was actually like really big in person. Like, it may come off small on camera, but it was like a really big nightstand. So yeah, that's why I think it has like that price tag. It is really, really big. Um, so this is more of a natural, if you have neutral tones again in your home, if you're like that natural wood lover, this is for you. And here I'm gonna show you the matching bed to that first chest that we looked at with the gold handles. Yeah, so I'm going to show you now that this is actually the matching bed, but it just have the small details of gold right there to show that it's matching. But apart from that, that's the only thing that would really tell you that it's matching. So guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, give the video comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I post. I will be posting all throughout this lockdown we have in Jamaica. Alright, so here you have a couch that I think will be really good for like small apartments. And you also have this bed that's upholstered. It has this padding on the headboard, which I thought this was really nice. This was a really nice bed. Alright. And it also basically had like padding all the way around, also on the footboard. So there it is. You can see that as well. So I thought this was a really nice bed frame. And then you have this dresser with a really large mirror. Yeah, this mirror was really, really large. The dresser was nice. I believe this set is from Lane. And the drawers already were like lined with suede, which is good. This was a nice dresser. And it also has the matching chest. Here is a nice sideboard. I think this is a nice little piece to have in your living space. Great for storage. Really nice. Kind of like a mid-century look with a little bit of vintage to me too. So yeah, this is a good sideboard. It's called their Cornish sideboard. So yeah, this is nice. No, this bedroom set was actually really different. Like it had like these panels on the drawers, so it looked like lines. It was something cool and different for a bedroom set. And this was actually sold already, the dresser. And I think Courts was having like discounts on all bedroom sets. So you may want to check with them to see how long that promotion lasts. Alright, and guys, just to clarify, I am not a representative of Quartz or any of these furniture companies. I just like shopping. I thought persons got confused with that in a few videos back. No guys, I'm just like you. I just like shopping. I'm not promoting. I'm just giving my honest opinion, my honest thoughts, and I'm also shopping too for my apartment. But I'm very picky. So yeah, this was a good set. This bed was different too. It had storage at the front with also an ottoman, so it's like functionality. Remember I said in the top trends video that you're gonna see furniture pieces that are functional and have multiple purposes, and this is one. So it's a bed. You also have the ottoman at the base of the bed, the foot of the bed, and the ottoman also has storage. So this is like a 3-in-1 deal. Like you're getting a bench to sit on, you're getting storage, and you're getting a bed. Like 3-in-1 deal, really. Alright, here this really cool coffee table that has like these chains at the side, so it's almost like the chains are like holding up the table, which is really different. And it has a matching side table too. So yeah, that's a cool little vibe. Here's another sideboard, but it has like a farmhouse vibe to me, especially with those panels that make like the X and so on. Yeah, a nice little farmhouse vibe. So if your home's like a farmhouse trend or a modern farmhouse, this would be a nice piece to get. This is super nice. Alright, so this dining table, again, I said multifunctional. It has like storage on the side if you want to put like wine there, or I don't know, maybe a news like magazine, something that you can read while you're dining. That's the purpose of that side piece, I think. But it could be anything you want, anything you really want. It's your home. So here's a nice like higher dining table. It has this frosted glass in the center, the fiberglass. But yeah, I think it's really cool. I like it. I like the chairs. Also under the table you have like these, again, I think for like storage. These little shelves like under the dining table. So yeah, this was nice. I was really liking this round dining table. This is a nice table, everyone. Like, I love the color of the wood. I love the chairs. They're nice and padded and soft. I really think this was a good dining table. It's great size for an apartment, or even if you're home, if you have a smaller home or so, this is a great dining table. And Courts finally has some dining tables that have like the benches at the side, which we know is also on trend. So yeah, kudos to you, Courts. You're finally, on the trend with these dining tables. Alright, so let's hop into the storage and organization part of this video. So here we have like these two side tables, and I'm gonna put in a picture of how you can style these tables. Like, they're simple, but they actually are really nice, and they're affordable too. They were metal as well. Yeah. So here's also like a little organization cart. You can put this in your bathroom, in your closet. Could put various little items in here, especially for us ladies, makeup or whatever, hair products. So yeah, they just had a variety of bookshelves over here and organizational pieces, which I thought would be good too to show you guys. But what I really liked here were these bookshelves. So I think these bookshelves actually look really classy, even though they're affordable, but affordable and classy, why not? So yeah, they have these bookshelves and they have different sizes. They have like the 3 cube and so on, but they're all affordable. So I think these, if you style them really well, you could put decor pieces here on these shelf units. It doesn't have to be like books. You could do like decor pieces, vases, sculptures, figurines, various things. Alright guys, and then here you have some small bedside stands. Yeah, so again, affordable. I realize that Courts has this brand called Quattro. They have a lot of affordable things. Of course, a lot of things are not real wood, but again, if you're just starting, these are some great options to have. They also have this standing mirror here. Didn't get to see the price, but I'm betting it's affordable. Here's a nice little office desk. Many persons have been working from home again because we are being pushed into another lockdown. So if you're working from home, you may want to invest in a desk if you still haven't gotten one from last year. So here's another option. It has this like antique aged look. So if you like that vibe, here's one you could add to your home. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching this video and for supporting me. My last Courts video just hit 8,000 views, so thank you so much guys for watching me and supporting the channel. Also, don't feel free to leave comments down below telling me what you want to see Alright, I have lots of videos coming for you in the lockdown, so don't worry guys. So just tell me in the comments what type of videos you want to see and I'll do them. Alright, so don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I post videos first. Bye guys.